We all know that feeling when you upgrade your transmission, but the stock lever just feels like a cheap afterthought. This tiny piece of aluminum claims to be the missing link between your hand and that perfect Tremec shift, and honestly, it delivers. Let's talk about what Billet Specialties did here with the 266,145. This isn't just some cast metal. We are looking at precision-machined 6061 T6 billet aluminum. That means strength, lightweight performance, and absolutely zero slop in the manufacturing process. When you hold this cylinder-shaped lever, the quality is immediately apparent. It's designed specifically for those serious transmissions, the TKO 500, TKO 600, and the T56 crowd, ensuring perfect compatibility right out of the box. The style is pure modern grid, which looks fantastic in any performance cockpit. You get options, which I always appreciate. Do you want that mirror-like shine? Go for the polished finish. Or maybe you prefer a stealthier, more aggressive look. The black anodized option is incredibly sharp. They also let you dial in your ergonomics with either the 8-inch or the 10-inch length, ensuring you get the perfect throw for your specific setup. It even includes the necessary 3/8/16 stud, making the installation genuinely easy, living up to its special feature claim. But the real magic happens when you actually drive. Because this lever is so rigid and precisely engineered, it eliminates the flex you often get with lesser levers. That translates directly into a more positive, crisp engagement. It feels like the distance between gears has shrunk, giving you that satisfying mechanical feedback every time you grab a gear. It's a small component, but it dramatically improves the tactile experience of driving a manual. If you've invested serious money into a Tremec transmission, skimping on the lever is just silly. The Billet Specialties 266,145 is a premium upgrade that delivers on its promise of precision and style. It's the final touch that makes your shifting experience truly exceptional.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.